Hi, I'm going to show you how you're going to take the template that Mrs. Anderson shares with you and use that to put your questions in. So you'll notice it says example, period 1, group 1, political cartoon stimulus-based questions. You're going to find this in your drive or in your email because you've been made a collaborator on this Google form. Right, where it says blank quiz here, I want to change that name. So I'm going to copy, I'm going to select the name here. I'm going to hit Control C and I click on blank quiz, Control V, and paste that here. You'll see mine says example. Yours will say whatever period and whatever group number you are. All right. Here where it says form description, that is the place you're going to put your group members' names. So maybe your names are Jane Goodall, Marie Curie, and Albert Einstein. Right? Whatever the names of your group members are going to go in this section. The next thing you're going to do is add in that picture of your political cartoon that you've already added to your drive. Well, how are you going to get a picture here? You're going to go here to the menu and you'll see an add image icon. This little square with the mountains in it always represents an image. So you know that this little icon, you're going to hit add image, and you can choose from different places. I'm going to choose my Google Drive because we've all added our pictures into the Google Drive. And now I need to find the picture. The best way for me is to search. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Black Plague. That's what I named my document. That's why you always want to name things in your drive. And there it is. That's the picture I want to add. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. You'll notice that this comes up on the bottom and you just click Insert. So here where you want to give your image a title, I'm going to name that Black Plague. So that will be the name of your cartoon. And I'm going to delete this. This won't exist on yours. All right, so now you have spots for 3 questions. All right, so you're going to go ahead and type in question number 1 and type in whatever you are making your question. It's going to be set as a multiple choice question. You're going to have option 1, whatever your options are, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm just hitting enter to get more options here. All right, and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'll add in my question 2. I'm going to want 1, 2, 3, 4 options. And here, same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4 options. All right, so then you should have your Google form all set to be a quiz. Now I need to set an answer key still. So before I do that, I'm going to go here to this little cogwheel. Whenever you see a little cogwheel icon, that always means that is the settings. So I'm going to click on the settings and I'm going to click here, collect email addresses. That way I'll be able to know who responded in which way to which questions. I'm going to restrict it to hand. I'm going to leave it there, limit to 1 response. I'm going to leave this all the same. I'm going to click here on quizzes. And I want these all to be checked, so that's great. Immediately after the submission, you will see if those are the correct responses or not. So I'll go ahead and hit save. All right, now how are we going to know which answer choices are correct? I'm going to go ahead and go back to question number 1. And I'm going to click down here where it says answer key. So click on answer key. And I want this question to be worth 1 point. So here, where it says points, I'm going to go ahead and change that to 1 point. And then I know that my answer choice number 2 is correct. Let's just say, for example, so I'm going to choose the correct answer. And if I want a little message to pop up, I can go to add answer feedback, incorrect answers, or if you want to give your classmates a hint, or correct answers. If you want to say great job, give them some encouragement, you can hit save and do that. And then you can hit done. And what that will do is when the Google Form quiz is sent out, you will be able, it will automatically score it based on your answer key. All right. Another little trick is that you want to click here on required because we want to make sure everyone answers all of those questions. All right, and that's it. And you're going to do the same thing for question 2 and question 3. All right.